Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to get verified on Instagram, so let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application on your device and then search for a verified profile. It could be of anyone. After jumping to the profile, select the three dots in the upper right corner and copy the profile URL to the clipboard. After copying the URL, go back to your profile page. Now look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and tap to open the profile menu. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on Settings. Scroll down and look for Preferences and then tap on it to jump to the next step. Again scroll down until you see the option Request Verification. Tap on it and fill in the required form under this section. After completing this step, you should see a Submit button. By pressing this button, your request will be submitted and you will receive a notification in a few days. That's it for today's video, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.